Hello you guys, and welcome back to DIY Dreams, and today we're going to be doing something super awesome. Now, ever since pretty much the beginning of time, I have loved taking care of these Monarch Caterpillars. Now, my grandpa actually got me into this, and pretty much what it is it's taking care of this endangered species of butterflies. Now, we find them on these plants called milkweed, and it's really convenient actually. We have them at our park, and they're just little tiny eggs, and we take them in, we feed them, and eventually they turn into chrysalises, which are kind of like, instead of a cocoon, a chrysalis is what you would use for a butterfly, and it's kind of like a little shell till they become a butterfly. And so I thought I would take you along with us today. If you like this idea, make sure to subscribe and post notifications, and you guys might become part of DIY Dreams. Now, without further ado, on to the video. So what you are seeing now is milkweed, and milkweed is what you feed the Monarch Caterpillars, which is the species of caterpillar that we help. And it's just been filmed at our local park. And this is just the milkweed that we use. So what you're going to see next is a Monarch Caterpillar egg. And this is the type of egg that you would like to or need to look for when you are searching for Monarch Caterpillars. And this is a Monarch Caterpillar. And they kind of have this fancy snancy striped pattern, and this is one that is just about to make a chrysalis. They hang in a J shape, and this is what the chrysalis looks like when they have finally made it. It's been a few days, and now our butterfly is ready, and I'm going to release the butterfly. So it might just fly away, or it might be very calm. It depends. But it's a girl, you can tell, because on the back of the wings there will be 2 black dots, or there won't be 2 black dots, and that's how you can kind of tell. I'm going to tip it up, and so it can crawl out. Can do it. This is it on my finger. You want to be very careful. So this is an example of a male monarch. You can see the black dots on both of its wings, and that's how you identify a male. So I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. And make sure, guys, to try this at home. One of the reasons why I really wanted to do this and do it step by step is because maybe you guys might want to try this at home. It's really easy, and it's much easier than it looks. And it's actually really fun after when you end up releasing the finished result, a butterfly. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and you guys might become part of DIY Dreams. Now, till next time, bye guys!